We just woke up and we were thinking that we could make banana chocolate chip muffins. First, we're going to prep our muffin tin.
We like to use these silicone mats thing.
Set to the side.
Don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees.
Okay, so just remember the recipes in the description box below.
So go there if you want to follow along with us. So first we're going to mash our very ripe bananas. And we're just going to mash them with a fork, the old-fashioned way.
Now to our mashed bananas, we're going to add 2 eggs, sugar,
Oil.
Greek yogurt. Mix it all up.
Don't forget to add your vanilla.
Now it's time to add in our dry ingredients.
Now we're going to add our flour,
Baking powder,
baking soda,
salt.
and cinnamon.
Mix that batter up.
While Lola is stirring, I'm going to prep our chocolate. So we don't have chocolate chips. I used it all yesterday, so we're just going to use this bunny left over from Easter. It will still be the same. So now I'm just chopping up this chocolate into just little pieces. Now that Lola is done mixing, we're going to add our chopped up chocolate.
Stir it up. Fill your muffin tin.
Just so you know, this makes about 12 muffins. Into the oven they go. Okay, so while those are baking, let's clean up our mess.
Alright, they're all done. So all we have to do is
Let's try it.
Try it.
The best muffin you'll ever eat. Oh, that steam, man. Bye-bye.